Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how to check spelling errors by writing English words in your Visual Studio Code editor. To enable the spell checker in your Visual Studio Code, you need to install an extension in your VS Code. Go to extension icons and search here spell checker. Code spell checker, the first extension you need to install. Just select this extension and hit the install button to install this extension. This extension is really helpful to correct and find the spelling mistakes in your Visual Studio Code. This extension successfully identifies the spelling errors and also correct the spelling errors by suggesting the words. Now I will show you how this extension works. Let's create a spelling mistake. This extension will identify the spelling mistake quickly. If I want to correct this word, just click on the words and here is a small light bulb at the left side. Just click on this light bulb and this will suggest you the word suggestion. You can select any of the words according to your choice to remove the spelling error. How beautifully correct the errors. Thanks for watching.